Okay, this is our cottage in Stilts. It's called The Lights. There. Stilts in Calatagan, Batangas. That's the cottage. Laki siya. Now I am walking to another cottage where my brother naman is staying along with my nephew. 2 wishes. It's an actual cottage naman on stilts talaga. Supposedly. On the beach. Nakabara. It's walking distance, very near the beach. Yung cottage namin isa, as in beachfront. This one is on the beach. As in on the water. You can pass by there. Pwede rin naman diretso. Low tide ngayon. Yeah, and this one. See, it's on the beach. On the water. Low tide. This is the cottage wishes. Init. Tapos sa balat. Yeah. Exclusive for wishes. Ba yan? Matang-tigas. Close the gate. I'm just gonna show you. Meron kaming duyan. There. There's the duyan. It's along the water. There. Then, pwede kang tumba sa water. Then, pasok mo sa loob. Ooh, beautiful. Let's get closer a little. See. It's white sand of Calatagan. Whitish, actually. Beautiful.